Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
How are you all?
I am fine,
Doing
sir.
fine, sir.
Fine, sir.
Okay. Am I audible, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Am I
Yes,
audible?
sir.
I am
Yes,
good.
sir. Yes, sir.
So, did you complete your question answers?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Grammar.
Yes, sir.
Grammar.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, so first of all, today I will just give you the brief of report writing, right? Because the writing portion is remaining. So I'll tell you the brief of the report writing. Then after, I will start chapter number 6, explanation. Right? It means introduction and some of the portions that I will complete. Right?
So today you will send the PDF of the diary writing. Na?
Report writing, better not diary writing. You can see that. What is diary or report?
Yes, sir. You will
What
send.
is it? Diary or report? It is a diary or
Sir,
report?
report.
Right? So I will share with you. I will share the PDF of the diary writing. Don't worry about it. Okay? Board visual property.
Sir, your screen is blur. Yes, sir. Your screen.
Now,
Now clear.
now,
Yes, sir. Now clear. Sir, now clear. Flashlight means the dark light is coming on the right hand.
see beta. See, here there is a window, right? So what can I do? Tell me. Because of the window and the board is our setting of the board is on that way only. Okay? So, report writing, right? Now, all we know that report writing. What is report writing? Anyone have idea? Anyone knows that what is the meaning of report writing? Anyone know what is the meaning of report?
May I say?
Yes, tell me.
Sir, in report writing, we have to do not write how are you, what are you. We have to write just a note is lost, or find. We have to write direct. We have to write only specific points.
We have to start main topic.
Report writing, it is a event, right? We write report for the event. Now, event might be a good or a bad, right? Report might be a good or bad. Second thing, we wrote these after the completion of event. After completion of event. We wrote report after completion of the event. Okay? Then, third point, we can write it is in simple past, present perfect, and past perfect. Okay. So, report writing that we have to publish in newspaper after completion of the event. We know that you can see in your Facebook, right, whatever the competition we are holding in our school, then after what we are doing, right, what are we doing? Now might be the flashlight is coming less. Okay? Okay? Is the screen properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Right? So what we are using? Report writing after completion of the event. We want to publish in school magazine, in newspaper, whatever the writing, we can see that report writing. You can see in newspaper the headline, right? What is it? It is a nude headline, but exactly it is also a report writing. Now report writing might be a good or a bad. Right? Good or it means, suppose we talk about that in report writing that we talk about school function, exhibition, some of the competition, right? That is good. Now bad, it means in fire, in hospitals, accident on the road, floods, these all are what? Bad report writing. It means not happy event, right? Bad event. So we can write the report writing on the basis of that thing. Okay? Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, first of all, I discuss with the format of the report writing. Right? I discuss the format of report writing. What is the report writing first thing? What you have to include in your report writing first? So, number one, title. Right? Number one, title. Second one, publisher's name. What? It means writer's name. We can say that writer's name. Third one, date, place, and body of report. Body of reports we have to write, and this is your format of report writing. This is your format of report writing. Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
If you want to take a screenshot, take it.
Sir, take on.
Okay.
Sir, taken.
Now, just as an example, suppose we want to write about the report, right, on annual day celebration. So what we have to write down here? Annual day celebration in NEPS, right? Annual day celebration in NEPS. Now, then who wrote this? Suppose I am the cultural convener, so I'll write down right, Kapil Rameja. Then after I wrote here date. Which date? So, and yes, report writing is always right after the completion of the event. So might be that yesterday the event is over. So today we wrote about today's date. Today, 9th over. So 10th August 2021 and place. So mode B. Okay, this thing is clear. This thing is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Clear.
Now, so how to start write a report? So if you want to write a quotation at the beginning of that function, so you can write the beginning of the report, you can write a quotation. It means some thought. And if you want to directly start, so you can also start with like the annual day of NEPS was, NEPS had held, was held in New Era Global School on 9th August 2021 at 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. This is the first foremost line. In this line, you can add this point that where is the view held, what time and which date. You can see that. Okay? You can see that. Do you see that? Do you see that in first paragraph we have to include this point only? Right? In first paragraph we include only this thing. Now in second paragraph, the event, what was held in that event. So we can say that all the students who joined, who are happy in this function. The chief guest arrives and first of all they lightening the lamp, and our music teacher sings a beautiful prayer with the musical students, right? Music teacher and our music students who sang beautiful prayer, and then after the flotation, it means the authorities gave our chief guest the flowers, right? Welcome by the flowers, and we can say that any teacher's name, he introduced the chief guest or she introduced the chief guest, and then after he also delivered some beautiful words. Then we say that those students who are getting the good mark in the year 2020-21, he or she got the prize from the school. Then the informal function starts, the dance, drama, mime, all this organized by our dance teacher, and lots of students took part in this function. At last, the function's over happily. The chief guest gave the vote of thanks, our principal ma'am gave the vote of thanks, and the students are also happily, students were happy, and the parents also joined this function. At the, after the completion of the function, we sang the national anthem and we depart after took our dinner. So in this way you have to write about the report writing. Understood? Understood? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone have a doubt?
No,
I'll
sir.
share a one PDF. I'll share a one PDF of the report writing. Right. Second one, it is in your homework. Second one, it is your homework. Okay. Okay, beta.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, in report writing,
Yes,
first we have to
sir.
write title. After we have to
Huh?
write date and after body na. Sir, after we have to write conclusion.
Yes, in first paragraph you have to introduction, second paragraph you have to write down whole event, and last line you want to conclude this. Right? That is your paragraph, or that is your report writing. Okay?
Sir, may I say something?
Yes.
Sir, happy 42nd anniversary of Machu Dam flood.
Yeah. Happy? Happy?
No, sir, sad.
Better. It's not happy moment. Better, it is a sad moment that lots of people lost their lives in this event. Not event, in this flood. Okay? We have to.
Yes, sir. In my house, everyone pray for that this will not happen second time.
Yes. Right? So, now we will start to discuss chapter number 6. Right? We will start to discuss chapter number 6. Now, this chapter is exactly a 1x play. This chapter is exactly a 1x play. We cannot say 1x play, but it is a short play. Now you have to think about why the writer gives the names of fishy tale. Right? In this chapter you will learn something new thing. Because first time you will learn about the drama. Last year, is there any drama in 6th standard? Last year, is there anyone has a, in 6th chapter, is there any drama?
No, sir.
6th standard, no drama. Dasu's secret box, what is it?
Yes, sir, drama. Yes, sir. No, sir, we have not done drama.
Okay, don't
We have
worry.
done drama in this standard, sir. In Hindi
Yeah.
class and English class also. When the Devi ma'am was sitting na, that time we have done the drama.
Now, drama exactly we can perform by the 2 characters also, and more than 2 characters also we have to perform the drama. Right? There is the one book, the name of the book is Waiting for Godot. Right? In that book you will learn about only 2 characters. Right? But it is all, the Waiting for Godot, it is a psychological drama. And it is very difficult for you that you have to understand that drama. Here, 3 scenes arise. First scene, the tree is totally barren. Second scene, you can see the tree is blossom. And third stage, you can learn that the tree has lots of leaves and fruit. Now, what is the behind it? Now, the question is same, but the answer is different. It is a totally psychological drama. Here, in this story, the same thing is there. Exactly, you are not present here, that's why. Otherwise, I will do one exercise with you, that I will speak one line in your ears, right? We can say this Chinese whisper. We can say it's a Chinese whisper game. That I will speak in your ear one line. When it passes to one to another to third to fourth to fifth, and at last person, right? When I give the line, whatever my line and whatever their line is totally different. Is totally different. Arman? So, here in this story is the same way, right? The story is totally different. Now, whatever the characters enter into that area, they all are narrate the story regarding the fish. They all are narrate the story regarding the fish. Now, here you have to learn about something new thing. So, first of all, you have to write down the objective, right? First of all, you write down the objective. So, number one, to note the similarities Write down this thing. I'll come. Did you complete? Did you complete?
Sir, what is, sir,
Yes,
what was
sir.
writing third one? I don't understand that.
To enact the play, E-N-A-C-T, enact a play or the play. Here what is, here you can learn about the four stories, right? You have to learn the similarities of these four stories and also you have to learn about the differences of the four stories. The story is regarding the fish only, right? All are telling the story of the fish, so we can know about the similarities of the story. But what is the difference that I will inform you, right? I will inform you. So that is thing. Second, to know about the familiarize with the genre of the play. It is a comedy play. It is a comedy play. And last one, to enact a play. It means we have to perform the play if you are present here, but you are not present here, so we cannot perform a play. Exactly what happened? If we are unknown of some place, right? And if another person, it means a new in that area's person, they know that they are a new, right? They are new person in our area, so they are narrating the story in their way, right? And we have to believe them. It is a humor. Second thing, if you are clever, right, and you realize, okay, they are boosting us, so you have to realize and you have to just give the pumping them. You have to just pumping them, and that's why they narrate a story in a very bombastic word. Bombastic word is a very used word. They narrate a story in a way that they realize, okay, they believe in our story. But we know that they are not true. They are liars. Same thing here. You have to learn this thing because there are the two characters, Jerome and John. Both are new in Wallingford, right? In Wallingford. But the rest of the person realize and they start to boasting the story. One leave and second one come. He narrates the story, then third one comes. Right? In that way, they have to learn about this story. So I start with some characters. So the characters, Jerome, George, Montmorency, right? These are the new characters. These are the new characters. Then comes old man whose name is Jim Bat. Whose name is Jim Bat. Second one, local carrier whose name is Joe Mughal. Third character is Solemn. So they known as Mr. John. They are known as Mr. John, and last one is landlord. Right? The place is Wallingford. The place is Wallingford. In Wallingford, there is a inn. Inn means hotel. Inn means hotel. Right? Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes.
This is the story. That is the character. These are the new characters. Now in all the characters, you cannot see the dialogues of these characters. You can't see the dialogues of last one character. Right? You have to read the whole story, whole play, but you never observe that one's character. Right? Here, introduction of the characters. In list of the characters, we use his name. We use the name of that character. But we are not seeing any dialogue of these characters. So, now I will start to read the chapter. So, a little riverside inn in Wallingford, Jerome, George, and Montmorency entered and walked into the parlor. They see an old man smoking long clay pipe is seated nearby. Now, long clay pipe, it wants what? See, previous in ancient times, they are also using the pipe, but we call it hookah. Now, the long clay pipe, the shape of this way. Did you see this type of pipe?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have seen this type of pipe.
Right?
Sir,
Right?
it is
We
used
have-
for smoking.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
it is used for
Cigarette, na?
what?
Sir, it is smoking used for.
It's used for the smoking, right? So my first question, who are introducing character? Second one, where is the play set? Where is the setting of the play? Third, sorry, where is the setting? Where is the play set? Where is the play set? Third, what is an old man doing? Right? These are the questions of the first line. Who are introducing characters? Pussy. Who are introducing characters? Pussy.
Jeremy, sir, I don't know the pronunciation of that word.
Jerome. Jerome.
Jerome,
Jerome.
George, and Montmorency.
Yes.
Sir, what?
Montmorency.
And Montmorency. Montmorency and Montmorency are the introducing character of.
Okay. And one is an old man. Where is the play set, Yesha? Where is the play set? Yesha? Yesha? Where is the play set?
Sir, may I say?
Yes.
Sir, the play set is at the Little Riverside in Wallingford.
Yes. Right? As I told you that inn means hotel. Inn means hotel. So the play starts, the setting of the play is near Riverside in Wallingford. What is an old man doing? What is an old man doing?
So may I?
Sir, may I say?
Yes, Herman.
Sir, the old man was smoking. In
Yes,
a
the old man was
pipe.
with the clay
Small
pipe.
Clay pipe.
With the long clay pipe. Okay? So this is the introduction of it. Now, Khushi, on your camera,
Yes,
better.
sir.
On
Yes,
your camera.
sir. Sir.
And start reading from Old Man to Chimney Piece. Right? You have to start reading Old Man to Chimney Piece.
Okay, sir. Sir, otherwise give the characters to the students.
Okay? So do one thing. You become a Jerome. Right? You became a Jerome.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yesha.
सर मैं जीरो में जाऊँ
Yesha.
Sir, may I become an old man?
Wait a minute. Yesha.
Sir,
Is Yesha there? Vishwa.
yes, sir.
Vishwa. You have to
Yes,
perform
sir.
the role of. You have to perform the role of George. Okay, Jeet. You have
Okay,
to
sir.
perform the. You have to perform the role of an old man.
Yes, sir.
Then yes, Urban, you have to perform the role of local carrier. Adi, you have to perform the role. You have to perform the role of that one. Solemn customer. Right? Okay. So now, George, Jerome, and old man. Switch on your camera. Khushi, Vishwa, and Jeet.
Sir, my camera is on.
Yes, your camera is on. Jeet Vitlapura and Khushi on your camera. Sorry, not Khushi, Vishwa. On your camera. Jeet Vitlapura and Vishwa on your camera.
Sir, I have to on my camera.
Harman, right now there is a know your role. Vishwa, your screen is totally. Vishwa, you have to rotate your phone. Yeah, okay. Right? Then Jeet Vitlapura. Whose house that one? No. Jeet Vitlapura. I think Jeet is left the meeting. Jeet. Yes, Jeet Kumar. Jeet, reply me, beta. But I cannot see him. I can see only Khushi and Vishwa.
Jeet is stuck. Jeet camera was stuck.
Jeet, leave the meeting and rejoin it. Hurry up. Jeet, leave the meeting and rejoin it. Or else I will give to someone else.
Sir, he left.
Yeah, I know.
Sir, may I do role of old man?
See, these characters that I give, Jeet rejoin you or not? these characters that I give you, now what you have to do, you have to speak, right, according to their expression. According to their expression.
Okay, sir.
Jeet, on your camera, beta, it is a wasting of the time. You told me that you want to perform the role
Yes,
of
sir, I
an
have won. Sir, I
but
have
you are
won.
not. Yeah, rotate your screen, dear. 90 degree, now 180 degree. Now 180 degree. You have to rotate your screen 180 degree. Because you are seeing totally, your head is downside. Your head is downside. 180 degree you have to rotate your phone. Vishwa, beta, 180 degree. It means you have to rotate your phone left to right. Yeah. Now again right to left. Again right to left. 90 degree. Jeet, what are you using? Your phone, laptop, what are you using?
Sir, my tablet.
So you have to rotate because your head is left side. So I want your head is upper side because if the video is recorded. You have to rotate your phone 90 degrees. Now 180 degrees. Can you see that Khushi? Can you see Khushi, Jeet? Yeah. Done. Might be in your screen that one auto rotate is there. Khushi and Vishwa, both you,
Yes,
Vishwa, you have auto rotate on?
So we off it?
No, sir.
Yes, you have. Vishwa and Khushi and Jeet. Now spice off you on your camera better. Because I want to complete
So
the
like
first
this?
portion of this. First of all, I want to see. You are not visible. I can see. No, you have to rotate 180 degree. Your head is downside. 180 degree, you have to rotate your phone. 90 degree. Yes. Perfect. Vishwa and Khushi on your camera, yes. Vishwa and Khushi on your camera.
Sir, my camera is on only. My camera is on
Vishwa's
also.
but you are not visible. That's why I'm telling you.
No,
I can see Vishwa. I can see Vishwa. Right now, no one is there. Jeet, I can see you.
Sir, you can see me?
Adi, I can see you, but you have to off your camera, beta. Rest of the students off your mic and camera both. Apart from this student.
Sir, now I am visible.
Yes, you are visible. This boy is also visible. Vishwa is not visible. Okay, start. Who's the first dialogue? The old man. Right? Jeet.
Good evening, sir. Fine day today.
Right? The old man says that. Listen to the old man's dialogue. Good evening, sirs. Fine day today. Adi, off your camera, beta. Adi, off your camera. Vishwa, rotate your phone 180 degree because you are vertical. Your head is downside. Perfect. Now, the dialogue of Jerome. Vishwa, your dialogue.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, I am Jerome.
And a fine day yesterday as well.
Okay. You are Jerome. Wait. You are Jerome and Vishwa is the George. Okay? Okay, Jerome speaks.
Yes, and a fine day.
Yes. And a fine day yesterday as well. George.
Look like it will be a fine day tomorrow. Wonderful weather. The crops seem to be coming up.
Nicely. Right? So here what? Both are discussed with each other. Right size of old man wishing them good morning or a good evening. So Jerome and George also wish them. And old man say it's a fine day today. So Jerome says that yesterday there was a fine day. So George also says, look like it will be the fine day tomorrow also. Even says it was a wonderful weather and the crops seem to be coming up nicely. This thing. Then after what happened? There is a long pause. There is no conversation between them. Everyone looks around them. Then Jerome, George look at a dusty old glass case. It means they had seen one glass case, right? Where is it situated? So it was high above the chimney piece, right? So chimney piece, it means what? That is the log of the wood, right? And on that above log, this one log, chimney piece, it means it is a structure of the wood. And on this structure of wood, there is a one old glass case, right? So the dialogue of Jerome.
What a monstrous fish.
See, beta, it is the exclamation mark, right? So you have to read in an exclamatory sentence in a shocking way. Read it again.
What a monstrous fish.
Yes.
Is
What a monstrous fish. Is it a code in that? Right? You can see, express your ideas. Third.
No. No.
That's it, Trot. Old man.
Oh, fine fellow that. Aren't he?
It's the ain't he, not aren't he. It's the ain't he. So here what about, now as I told you the title, Fishy Tale, right? They see, Jerome and George see one glass case, right? And Jerome says that what a monstrous fish. He says, I think it is a code. So George says, no, that's a fraud. And the old man says, fine fellow that, very beautiful that you have to identify it. Jerome?
Quite uncommon.
Yes, it is. Yes, quite uncommon. It is, we can identify, okay, which is this fish. George?
How much do you
George?
think
Weigh means what? Weight. How much weight of this fish do you think about? Do you tell me what is the weight of this fish? Old man?
Sir, about 1 kg, 2 kg.
No, according to your dialogue. According to your dialogue.
Rising and taking down his coat, 18 pound 6 ounces. Yes, were 16 years ago. Come the third next month that I landed him.
See that. The old man narrates the story. Right, Jerome? George asked the question, tell me what is the weight of this fish. So, that old man says that its weight is 18 pound and 6 ounces, that I was caught this fish 16 years ago. How many years ago? 16 years ago, and the third of the next month. Right? He said whatever the month is there, he says the third of the next month, and I landed him. Jerome says, Jerome,
Oh, wolf.
and old man,
Carry on. I caught him just below the bridge with Mino. They told me he were in river, and I said I'd have him, and so I did. You don't see many fish that size above her now. I am thinking, good night, gentlemen, good night. Old man exist.
right? Then after old man leave, he says that 16 years ago I caught this fish, and the weight of the fish is what? That 16 pound and 6 ounce, 18 pound and 6 ounces, and before 16 years ago I caught this fish. So Jerome also shocked and said, oh, was that you had caught this fish before the 16 years ago? Because we know that if you caught the fish, so within a 2 to 3 years the fish will rotten it, starting rotten. But he says that 16 years ago I caught this fish. This fish is of the 16 years ago, and that's why Jerome said, oh, boss. And old man says that yes, I caught him just below the bridge with the minnow. Minnow, it is a one type of the fish. They told me, it means they told me who the fisherman says that he was in the river, that big fish was in the river, and he told me that I have hit. And also says that, so I went there, and you don't see many fish that size about here now. He says that you can't see this size of the fish here, right? The size of this fish, 18 pound fishes, the weight of the fish 18 pounds, and the size of the fish you cannot see this size of the fish here now, right? I am thinking about it. And then after he wishes, good night gentlemen, good night, and then after the old man exits. Okay? Then after the old man exits. Okay students, so here the first story is over. So number one story, remember in your mind. Next lecture we will complete this chapter. Okay? Now today's homework that you have to write down hard words in your FNB with meaning and solve sing passage number 1 in your worksheet. That is your today's homework. But don't leave the meeting because I am taking your attendance.
Okay, sir.
Sir, that roll we got tomorrow will be that roll only, na?
What?
Sir, I got roll. That I got roll of
Yes.
that only
Yes.
roll I got tomorrow, na?
Yes, local carrier. Right, but you know that you have to perform the role of the local carrier, right? But in his hand there is a beer quart. So you have to take it one quart.
I got local carrier. Adi got the role of that other local carrier.
Solan.
Means that one, Solan, yes, sir. Solan customer. Adi got Solan customer and I got local carrier, sir.
Okay. So you have to perform the role of, so you have to keep one mug with you, right? Because the pot of the beer was in his hand. So you have to read the characters and then after you have to do an action. Okay, so we feel reality. Okay, students? So bye-bye everyone. Take care.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.